haven't been here in a while, especially for Tsonga videos. So hi guys, welcome back to Thing where I am content for everybody. Today I'm coming in with a new season called So You Wanna Learn XITSONGA, huh? I am here to take you guys from beginner stage to intermediate to advanced, alright? So you know how we all have things that we say in our languages. I did a video that is called Tsonga expressions, or things that we like to say, like random things. But here today, on today's video, I want to teach you like in a more like deeper level. The first popular thing that we like to say is utatia. Utatia. Listen, I don't like these words for the same reason that I come to you with a story. I come to you to tell you my problems and like paragraphs and stuff, and you tell me utatia. Or utaba strong, meaning you will be strong. Yet I know that I will be, but I need more than that, like a sentence or something. Give me a paragraph, yana. Like 2 words, utatia. I know. If you tell me that personally, I take it very personal. I'm like, if I come to you and vomit my problems, please don't tell me what that is. At least if you do, you choose to, right? Do it at the end of the paragraph, at least. The second one is ungavula shesh. Honestly, I like to say this very often when I'm trying to talk to somebody and they cannot get into that level of understanding that I'm trying to take them to. And so I like to say ungavula shesh. You can say that. In my mind, I'm like, I don't have time to be explaining this to you, so you could say that. But other people who are wiser enough than I am, they actually use it in context and say, one could say that, you know, because sometimes maybe people come with different explanations or different understanding, and you're like, oh yeah, that actually makes sense. You could say that. My favorite is karamuka nyana. Karamuka nyana. I love to say this. Somebody could just call me or even called you, for example, right? And then you're probably sleeping, you're like, hello, and then they say karamuka nyana is something to say, no jama, I want to tell you something. Another one is nenga utra. I like to say this when I don't want to do something, or even it sounds difficult in wording than to actually do it. Somebody could call you and be like, hey, like, can you come and help me with my groceries? That time you're sleeping and you're like, oh, I know. You know, somebody could be telling me something difficult and it's like, okay, go and do that thing. Or you know what you should do? You should stop eating cake. There's no way I'm doing that. It sounds difficult in wording. It's like you wouldn't be able to do it, but it's like, I'm not willing, I'm not going there, and that's it. Why? Why are you doing it? Such an irritating question to ask someone who is going through something or wants to attempt to do something. So that's it guys for today. But on the next episode of So You Wanna Learn XITSONGA, I want to teach you words that actually mean something else. I mean, you can use them in many ways. So I'm trying to make you guys a little bit flexible and comfortable in this language. For example, kuganyula, kuatlisa, kupaba, meaning putting, you know, like speed. It's like the one feet after the other. If that doesn't make sense, I don't know what will, but that's actually what that means. So these words can be used kupaba, kuganyula, atlisa, some people would say that, kuyima. This is ghetto. I probably wouldn't use this because it's not like people who use this are a different group. You know, in your language you have words that are ghetto, you know, or hood. So it's not every single person that you meet that is gonna use them, right? But somebody could say kuyima, meaning kuda, meaning to eat. For me, it would take a lot for me to say, hey, na kuyima. I probably wouldn't say that, but I'm going to eat, or even saying, hey, but when you want to exaggerate, you could say, why? That person is fighting with the food. I gotta go, and I love you as well, and I hope you have subscribed because I am gonna be bringing you content that is of great quality. I'm going to research and come back here with good content for you guys, and I hope you've checked out the other playlists that I've created on the first season of How to Speak XITSONGA. There's about 10 episodes there, so imagine after this it's gonna be about 20. Listen, if you don't know XITSONGA by then, I am the problem. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.